so this is the George Foreman Smokeless Indoor Grill. Hopefully, they're not blowing smoke about how good this product is. So, ready to find out?
Let's find out.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kelo What? If you're new to our channel, please don't forget that you can join our community by hitting the subscribe button.
Right there,
And don't forget to hit the notification button while you're at it so you don't miss any of these videos.
That's right.
Fit about 6 burgers, but
If you're Dominican like we are, how many plátanos can it fit?
so is it plátano approved?
Plátano approved. Why would it make it smokeless?
Smokeless is because normally when fat hits the grill inside, whether it's charcoal or whether you have a gas grill, when the fat hits the flame, it sets up that smoke. All right, so we're gonna plug it in, set the temperature, and then we're gonna grill.
Let's see how much smoke we generate from this guy. I think we need to start grilling.
So we're going to put it to the test. So I'm going to take the bacon. I'm gonna lay it down. Oh God.
Flat this way.
Okay, I'm seeing some smoke.
Okay. I will lay this hot dog down because obviously we need to eat some hot dogs later as well. Okay.
We should have wrapped these up. We should have wrapped these up.
Well, we can do that now.
You want to do it?
We could do one. One wrapped or one open.
One open.
Roll it in. There is a lot of smoke.
Yeah, there's
a lot of smoke. All right, so you know it's gonna try to wrap it up. So let's see it.
It's on live television right here. Oh wait, no, I gotta go the other way. It's this way.
No, it's that way. It's that way.
It's this way. Here we go.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Who said I'm not a chef? Who says I'm not a chef? You did. You said that. Ouch.
Okay, so that's another problem. Hold on. So I noticed that this area here is getting a lot of heat. So this area is getting a lot of heat. I'm not sure. Is it here?
All right, so a few minutes ago we noticed that the grill actually turned off, and now we kind of turned it off and on. We don't know why it did that.
Yeah.
Maybe because it was just too hot, and then it sort of stops.
It's kind of like I would like a notice. If I'm grilling something,
I want to
set it, and I walk away, it has to remain at a certain temperature so that the meat doesn't stick to this. The other thing, I don't know. Can you? We're gonna get the camera a little closer. So let's bring the other camera around because I won't be. All right, so I don't know if you noticed that there is some grease here, but it doesn't stay there. The grease is on the table. So it's important that you know that you may want to, I don't know if you see the grease. Look at this.
The whole table has been greased up all around it. Like all that, there's no sort of covering or protection on it.
Yeah, I think that if it would have had a cover, or maybe that's an optional item that they sell, maybe we can check it out, but as far as I know, it does not do that. This feels like grilling in the summertime, you know, like,
now,
give me a beer. Go.
But what about the smoke? You see, I think there's way too much smoke.
It is.
It's not that smokeless. I mean, I was looking for a lot less smoke. Like the alarm is gonna go off in a second.
I think this is more like you're grilling on your stove, and I could have done this with probably any kind of grilling pan at home. I'm not sure if this is something that I would say, yeah, sure, like they made something very innovative. I have to say though, out of all the other products that I have seen, that I have experienced that are smokeless, they do tend to produce a little bit less smoke than this.
Yeah, because again, there's a button where you can actually let the fan draw it out. But this is a lot. This is way too much smoke than I'm hoping for.
And my concern is, watch out for the little ones at home. This does tend to splatter out. So you want to make sure that the surface that you're using, like, I don't know how far out it goes. It goes out. So George Foreman, I think you have a great product.
Talk to George.
George,
tell George what you do.
You're my man.
Tell him what you're man. Tell him what you're man.
you know, I love the original grill in which it was slanted, it dripped down the fat. Here, the fat is getting off the meat, so kudos for that. But I do have to say that I could have accomplished this with any other product. So I am getting the little grill marks here, which is a big plus. So I think we're gonna take it off now and see how it tastes. So
It should taste well. I
want to point out once again, this is off. I'm not sure, and hear me out, I'm not sure if this is off when it reaches that temperature. So have some plenty of cleaning supplies and product here. I do want to mention that this is probably just like, I have an electric stove, and the electric stove, once it heats up, it kind of turns off. So I think that might be one of the reasons why. So anyways, let's get to taste this. Let's see if we get the grill mark taste
the smoke.
The smoke taste. All right, it smells like I grilled it outside. It has like a little bit. It's not like the wood that you would get.
Still, it's a little hard.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't feel like it cooked it as well as it should have. Maybe there's probably because it was turning off. It was the heat wasn't consistent.
It's not consistent.
To sort of continue cooking it and finishing. I don't know. I'm not completely sold on it.
Once the heat temperature dropped, I put it up high and it turned back on. I mean, I'm disappointed at that. So let's taste the bacon. Hold it on that side. The bacon, pretty good. I mean, it's crispy.
All right, let's grate it. The George Foreman Smokeless Grill.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs down. I don't feel that there is such a significant amount of smoke that it prevented. I think, as you can see, we're all smoked up in here. There's so much going on. The table got dirty with all that grease. I expected a little more, maybe more covering on the side. I'm not particularly happy with the product.
So let's talk about one of the things why this product probably isn't smokeless. It's only $60. Is it worth the $60? Would you buy it?
Well, now knowing what I know, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't buy it.
So that's the reason why I didn't tell you the price, because I wanted to, sometimes we alternate about buying these products. So I'm surprised when he brings a product in, I'm like, wow. And this is one of the products that I saw and I thought, wow, Lobster Grill, let's bring it in, let's test it. And I think that for me, the $60, it's a toss-up.
I'm not sold on this grill. I don't think it has some good features, but
it's more smoke.
There's still smoking right now.
I'm gonna turn it off. Turn it off now.
There's just, it wasn't as much as it wasn't what I expected. So I'm not sold on the George Foreman Smokeless Grill.
I think it produces less smoke once again because the fat goes in the drip. I have used a pan at home. It does produce a little bit of smoke, but I think this will still fill my house with smoke.
Yeah.
I need to have this closer to a window or something like that. So
yeah, the alarm went off here. Yeah. So, all right, guys. So this has been a review of the George Foreman Smokeless Grill.
Smokeless. I think they were blowing smoke up our hopes. So don't forget.
Good one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and
hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these videos. We really want to thank you all. Leave us a comment. Any questions you may have. I'm actually going to continue to put it to the test to see if it's actually worth it, but I don't think this is going to be one.
Signing out with all the smoke in the living room, Team Kello. What?